Assalamu alaikum. Dear kids, how are you? I hope you will all fine. Dear kids, today we will learn the name parts of body. So let's start. Hair, hair. Hair. Forehead. 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 Eyes. Eye. Eye. Ear. 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 Nose. 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 Mouth. 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 Tongue. Tongue. Arm. 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 Stomach. 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 Leg. 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 Leg.